Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate lift to wake feature on Android phone, especially on the Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after that we can go to the advanced feature. You can scroll down to find those advanced features. You just need to click on it, and here we have to select motions and gestures. Alright, and here as you can see guys, we can activate this lift to wake. We just need to click on this toggle button to activate it, and right after you activate this lift to wake feature, if you want to turn on your phone, you don't need to press the volume button. You just need to lift your phone and it will automatically turn on. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the lift to wake feature on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.